Hi, I'm Staff Sergeant Zachary Warner, and this month we're going to be changing the aft interphone receptacle on an RC-135. Let's get to it. So he's verifying that we have the correct task pulled up and we're doing safe compliant maintenance. And this is the aft interphone receptacle of the aircraft. This is what allows us to talk to the flight deck. As far as the maintenance goes, it's a pretty straightforward job. There's only about 4 screws that hold in the receptacle that we plug into. And then it's just a matter of extracting 3 wires out of the back of the receptacle and then installing it into the new one. Communicating up to the cockpit from the receptacle down here, we can tell the pilot what we're seeing when they can't see and they're operating the flight controls from up top. If we didn't have an aft receptacle, we would resort to using hand signals with the pilots. With direct communication up to the flight deck, it cuts down on our launch time significantly. We don't have to relate to using hand signals and using more engine running time to get the aircraft off of the ground. And the seat's good.
Mic check, mic check.
Loud and clear. Being aircraft maintenance, it is a big responsibility and we don't wear that very lightly. So everything that we do is safe, compliant maintenance. That way we know that we're getting the job done right the first time.
I'm Staff Sergeant Reginald Smith. I'm a B1 Avionics Specialist. My day-to-day duties is to maintain the avionics systems. They're on the B1 aircraft. That's basically all of the different electrical systems that exist on the aircraft to keep it flying, and the different electrical systems that defend the aircraft from threats as well. My main priority at work is to fix any discrepancies that come up from either flights or things that we find on the ground in a safe pace and effectively. 2 of our main missions is deterrence and employing global strike, and the B1 aircraft is super important for that, and the avionics systems that we have on the B1 need to be maintained for them to be able to do that. In order to deter our adversaries, they need to be able to see that we're able to employ our assets worldwide, and the B1 being a long-range aircraft is super important for that. So me maintaining those avionics systems ensures that the B1 is able to travel worldwide and let our adversaries know that we're capable of doing that at any time.